I love these items for the summer. They are literally awesome. We are going to be saving time and money from QVC that will literally pay for themselves. I love Lululemon, but I don't love their prices. There is a tank top dupe on QVC on 3 easy payments. I love this one. The fabric is awesome, and I also love how it ruches on the sides. This is a summer essential. We're here to save time and money. And sunglasses are a great way to save, with quality and polarization. And I have to get affordable ones because I'm either sitting on them or leaving them somewhere. I've tried to get expensive ones, but the QVC ones are awesome. These are my favorite ones, and they're only $30. I'll be sure to link them down below. And speaking of sunshine, you know I'm really not a tool person at all. So if I'm showing you it, it's really going to work. This little machine blows everything off of your front porch. If you have a bad back or limited mobility, this is such a great tool. This is the best deal I've ever seen it. And this next item might be one of the most useful items in this video. Getting a box cutter is a game changer. Not only are these super affordable, but this makes deconstructing boxes for recycling so much faster and easier. I love to know in the comments down below whose job it is in your home to break down boxes. This makes it easy and pretty fun too. You can break down a giant box in just minutes. We're saving you time and money with drain tabs. This is for your drains that smell bad or are blocked up. This is what you want. This is going to save you time and money. I highly recommend this product, and it's available on 3 easy pays of $11.56. I am all about saving time and money too. Your morning should feel effortless, and one way to save money is buying products in bulk. But the bulk items are hard to keep out, especially in the bathroom. That is why I suggest a soap dispenser. This sits right on your countertop. You can buy hand soap in bulk and just add it to these dispensers. Any room in my home that I can simplify, I'm all about it. One of my favorites is to buy mini lamps and to add these into little cute places that need some light. I also don't like to turn on my overhead lights. I prefer just to open my windows and just have soft mood lighting. This one is great because when you tap it, it can turn different shades, from a warm light to a cool light. This is really affordable and a sweet find. I have some more products that I need to show you, and yes, they're all from QVC, and this one is about $17 on Easy Pay. This is a 3-tiered Lazy Susan. I love the design on this. This would look great in a bathroom, and the price is really good. I prefer this diffuser. I love the look of this. I think it's really pretty, and I want to bring you things that mimic high-end products that are at an affordable price. Or maybe a little luxury that you think you'll never be able to afford. I want to talk to you first about these solar fountains. What I really like are that they are solar powered, and if you have a type of bird bath in your yard, or you could DIY one using Dollar Tree products. That way you can have a beautiful fountain outside. I just love the noise of a fountain. It's so beautiful. This needs direct sunlight to work. I also want to talk about custom lighting for outside. QVC sells a pack of 4 light stakes that are solar powered and affordable. I can stick these in the ground and have pretty lighting around my home. I love that these are solar powered. I don't have to charge anything. You just place them outside and let them do their thing. When it comes to the outdoors, let's talk mosquitoes. I am highly allergic to their bites and swell up and itch really bad. Mosquito repellent for me is not just a luxury, it is a necessity. I would love to hear if any of you people out there have experienced the same thing or what you use to help. I'm sure you understand what I'm saying. This is a product that actually works. This has a 4 stars on QVC, which is awesome. And it's a really affordable product. For me, this is absolutely worth it. I love Dulce Glow Tanner. This is a foaming mousse tanner that has a bronzer in it, so you can see exactly where you're putting it. It also comes with a tanning mitt. I also love that it's not high in chemicals. It is considered clean beauty. If I'm putting this on my skin, I want to make sure it is good for my body and that it gives you a wonderful glowing tan. My friends, follow your heart. I'll catch you in the next video.